What's going on, YouTube? This is Charles, and today we're gonna go back to another video series that I've started. It's supposed to be my personal economy, but I've been messing it up. My financial economy, and we're going back and forth with the name. So it's supposed to be the series is supposed to be my personal economy. You're gonna see some videos that says my financial economy, but it's supposed to be the same series. I just hadn't edited everything yet. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I just screwed it up, but it's supposed to be a series about my personal economy instead of my financial economy. I'm just gonna keep going like this. If you see some videos that end up with other names, just know it's for the same series. And today is day 13 in my personal economy day series. And I'm just gonna go do what I normally do on this day and go check my credit score, which has been going up and down these last couple of days. Just keep you guys updated. Still working on getting the bills caught up. All of them not caught up yet, but I'm still working on it. I'm still working with the company to get everything pretty much disputed. And things took off, then it couldn't come off that are hurting the score. Let's go right to the website that I use to log in and check my score. And as you can see, it was up to 525. I don't know if it was going up or go down. Hitting this little screen right here is gonna be like we on the Price is Right when you spinning the wheel, huh? This is what they want my future score to be, 780. Score builder is telling me I can get 90 points. Score master is saying I can get 165 points. And it's trying to get me to a 780. So, let's see. Let's hit the wheel and see what happens. Hit the full update, see if we go up, go down. Day in the life of the credit score. Like it stayed the same today. So we're still at a 525, but did it go down? Let me check and see if it's on this page. Same page I gotta look for every time I sign in here. Get this one. Nope. Be the second one. I do this every time I log in. I forget which page it's on. Let's see. Is it the first one? It's supposed to be the first one. I just don't go down. I think it's this one. Let's see. Yes, it's this one. And as you can see, the scores again. Started at a 512, 506, 491. Went down to 491, and now I'm up. It's like I did go down. I was a 531 on the 8th, and now I dropped 6 points. Like 6 points, I dropped 6 points on all of them. So the point drop, I guess, is consistent almost on all those scores here. So I look like I dropped 6 points from the 8th from one day, from the 8th to the 9th. And it just stays the same today. So it's still a work in progress. Still got some good scores. I mean, still going up, still positive. Started off at a 512, and I'm at a 525 right now. As long as I keep doing what I'm doing and keep getting things caught up, paid on time, it'll continue to go up. At least it's up here now, so it's kind of plateauing up, so I can kind of just stay around the 530 and go up and down that area until I get everything where it needs to be. And that's it, guys. It's today's update. And as you can see, I have made some progress. Slowly but surely, it's going up. If you want to know what I'm doing, if you want to know the name of the companies that I'm using, just put your comment down below. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. And even if you don't want to know what company it is, just comment anyway, and I'll communicate with you. Thank you for watching this video. You have yourself a wonderful day.